Okay, so good day grade 5. Our lesson for today is all about multiplying decimals. So in multiplying decimals, the same lang din siya wherein nagmo-multiply tayo sa whole number. So for example, I have here 0 and 45 hundredths multiplied by 9. So first, I will rearrange it into vertical para mas madali natin siyang ma-multiply or I know na mas sanay tayong mag-multiply by vertically. So 0 and 45 hundredths times 9. Okay, so the next step is now we will multiply. So 5 times 9 or 9 times 5 is equals to 45. So carry 4. 9 times 4 plus 4 is equals to 40 because 9 times 4 is equals to 36 and then 36 plus 4 is equals to 40. So carry 4. So 9 times 0 is equals to 0 because any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So therefore, 0 plus 4 is equals to 4. So we have here 405. But since decimal tayo, therefore, maglalagay tayo ng decimal point. Okay. So, paano natin ilalagay yung decimal point? Simply count the decimal places. So, we have here 1 and 2 and then meron siyang decimal point. So, therefore, magka-count din tayo sa ating product ng 1 and 2 and then write decimal point. So, yon. Example number 1. Okay, so let's have example number 2. So, for example number 2, we have here 4 and 36 hundredths multiplied by 35. So, i-rearrange lang natin siya into vertical para mas madali natin siyang ma-multiply. 4 and 36 times 35. So, 5 times 6 is equals to 30. Carry 3. 5 times 3 is equals to 15. Plus 3, we have 18. Carry 1. 5 times 4 is equals to 20 plus 1 is equals to 21. Next, 3 times 6 is equals to 18. So we have here carry 1. 3 times 3 is equals to 9 plus 1 is equals to 10. Carry 1. 3 times 4 is equals to 12 plus 1 is equals to 13. So meron na tayong partial product. Now we will get the final or the product ng ating question dito. So bring down 0, bring down 0. So 8 plus 8 we have here 16. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 because 0 na rin naman to. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5 and then bring down 1. And since ika-count lang natin yung decimal places, we have here 2. So 1, 2. So therefore, 1 and 2. So lalagay lang natin dito yung decimal point. So therefore, our final answer or the product here is 152 and 60 hundredths. So yon, example number 2. Okay, so let's have example number 3. So what if I have here 39 and 1/10 multiply by 2 and 15 hundredths. Okay, so first, rearrange natin siya into vertical. So 39 and 1/10 by 2 and 15 hundredths. Okay, so if manonotice nyo, hindi naka-align yung decimal point natin. Wherein, in multiplication of decimals, okay lang na hindi naka-align yung decimal point. Since bibilangin lang naman natin yung decimal places before tayo maglagay ng decimal point. So therefore, let's proceed in solving. So 5 times 1, we have here 5. 5 times 9, we have 45. 45. So carry 4. Then 5 times 3, we have 15 plus 4, we have 19. So 1 times 1 or any number multiplied by 1 is equals by itself. So identity property. So 1 times 1 equals to 1. 1 times 9 is equals to 9. 1 times 3 is equals to 3. Next is the number 2. So 2 times 1, we have here 2. 2 times 9 is equals to 18. So carry 1. 2 times 3 is equals to 6. And then plus 1 is equals to 7. So now we will add the partial product. So bring down 5. 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. 9 plus 9 is equals to 18 plus 2 is equals to 20. So carry 2. So 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. 4 plus 8 is equals to 12. And then 12 plus 2 is equals to 14. Carry 1. So 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. 8. Now, we will count the decimal places. We have here 1, 2, and then 3. So 1, 2, 3. Since dun nag-stop na yung ating decimal point. 1, 2, 3. So therefore, 1, 2, 3. So, lagay tayo decimal point. So therefore, this is our final product or final answer. So 84 and 65 thousandths. So yon.